Hi, I'm Amaury Guichon. Today we will make Lebanese Meghli. Please subscribe to Claudette Kitchen. Let's start. We need 1 cup of rice powder, 1.5 liter of water. Now, pour the rice powder over the water. 1 cup of granulated sugar. Pour the granulated sugar over the ingredients. 1.5 tablespoons caraway. 1.5 tablespoons cinnamon. Mix on cold. Then turn on medium heat. Stir constantly until the mixture becomes thick. Once the mixture starting to thick, lower the heat. Lower the heat. Keep stirring until thick. Now the Meghli is thick, turn off the heat. Meghli is a Lebanese rice pudding, garnished with dried coconut flakes and various nuts, served as a celebratory dessert, often after a baby's birth or during Christmas. Merry Christmas everyone. Waleda al-Masih Hallelujah. Please subscribe to Claudette Kitchen.